How to add archived story to narrative on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and now click on your profile here and then click these 3 points and now click here story archive and now hold on it, and after that here we'll find add to narrative, click on it and that's it, and then save it, and that's it. Here's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.